Hello, Vanderlei. I hope I didn't butcher your name too much. This will be uh, the first video with the basic instructions. Um, we will use a 6 pages, that's not too bad. We will use something I call a one-file Zettelkasten. It's just a didactic tool or a tool for teaching and for learning, the Zettelkasten method. But at the same time, it shows something quite interesting. It does not really matter from a methodological, you know what I mean, point, how you split your notes. You can even manage your Zettelkasten in one file. It would be not very practical. And if you use the archive, for example, um, the app wouldn't be able to express its whole variety of features. But it's still possible, and you could manage your Zettelkasten in one file with quite any editor. And because we need to interact, and I decided to um, go with Google or Google Docs, we will do it like this. So this will be your one file uh, Zettelkasten. And don't worry, I've done it a couple of times, so it's not that experimental. Um, experimental. So what we do is we create a master structure file, and I do it here for you. I've hidden the controls, so I don't know how to declare something a heading or something, but you can fill in what is missing. So we do it like this. What does it mean to have a master structure node for the one file for the one file Zettelkasten? Basically, you create something like a table of content here. So if you would write a new node, we stick to the markdown markdown style markup. So we pretend that there are no headings and no such things. Then if you'd create your first node, you would create it like this, and then perhaps we start with this. And then I just do it quick. Tag, tag, tag. Let's pretend that that this is actually the content of the node. Then you would uh, then you would do it like this, and then here is your bibliographic data. This needs to be does more free. So okay, we are not in the archive. So this will be a bit. Oh no. Why does Google Docs it like that? That's unexpected. Doesn't matter. then we will change it just to the other format. So what you see is your first entry. So if you go to your structure, your master structure for, node or structure Zettel, you see it like this, and you see this is the first entry in the structure node. And the first goal is to convert, let's say, a couple of your literature nodes into Zettel. That means in the end something like a list should emerge here. And then we go to the next step. Please write me just a private message when you processed, let's say, yeah, up to page up to here. Process up to page 29, and then we will go to the next steps. So the goals are: understand the impact of choices, learn to how to mitigate the negative impact of choices. This is quite redundant. Apply this knowledge in management. Okay, this is quite. Oh no, it isn't. Okay, I made a mistake. I misread. So these are three goals. So that will be reflected in the master structure node. I hope I will find out that that Google Docs doesn't convert the three dots to like a single space sign, or what I call it. But it wouldn't matter. So have a nice day. Have fun. Just just convert your literature notes as you feel like it, and then we will go on from there, and we'll coach just hands-on, and it will make use of the commentary function, perhaps. I don't know. It's just experimental.